Using Stereotypes Effectively in Storytelling. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our series on English listening and speaking skills, where we dive deep into the art of storytelling and jokes. Today's video focuses on a controversial but important topic: using archetypes and stereotypes, specifically, how to use stereotypes effectively when you're crafting characters in storytelling. Don't worry, we're going to handle this sensitive subject with the care it deserves. First things first, let's define our terms. An archetype is a universally recognized idea or concept like the hero, the villain, or the wise old man. On the other hand, a stereotype is an oversimplified and generalized concept about a particular group of people or things. While archetypes help us to instantly recognize roles, stereotypes can be problematic because they can perpetuate harmful assumptions. So why use them? Let's explore. It's essential to note that stereotypes can be harmful. They can perpetuate biases, marginalize people, and perpetuate inequality. So, if you decide to use a stereotype, be sure you understand the cultural context and potential impact your choices might have. There are instances when stereotypes can be used effectively in storytelling. For example, stereotypes can sometimes be used to challenge assumptions or to create irony in a story. They can also be used to quickly establish a character before diving deeper into their complexity. The key is to use them thoughtfully and deliberately, not lazily. One powerful way to use stereotypes is to subvert them. Introduce a character who appears to be a stereotype on the surface but is later revealed to be much more complex. This can be a fantastic way to engage your audience and make them think more deeply about their own assumptions. Remember that using stereotypes, especially those tied to race, gender, or other sensitive areas, can be risky. Always be mindful of the impact your words can have. Use stereotypes sparingly, and only when they add something meaningful to the story. So, there we have it. Using stereotypes effectively in storytelling is a nuanced skill that comes with both risks and rewards. Always be conscious of your choices and their potential impact on your audience. We hope this video has given you some food for thought. Until next time, happy storytelling!